Good afternoon and welcome back to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We have Consensus 2018, the largest global blockchain conference in New York City, and we're helping you cover that today. Joining me is John Wu, who's the CEO of SharesPost Digital Securities Group, and we're going to look at tokenization and Wall Street adopting cryptocurrency. Thank you very much, John, for joining us today. So ICOs, they may not go away quietly. They were really hot in 2017 and the beginning of 2018, but you think security tokens or tokenized securities are the next step in the evolution of marrying Wall Street to crypto.
Thanks for having me, Jill.
You're welcome.
Absolutely. Last year, there were about $5 billion of issuance in utility tokens. I think in 2018 and 19, one of the largest trends is going to be security tokens going forward.
And how's that different than an ICO?
So the traditional utility tokens were not done in what they call regulatory compliant way. Going forward now, if you look at all the Reg D offerings that have been done in the security token space, we've gone from 1 in first quarter of 2017 to now 39 through February 20th. So all the new issuances have been done in a Reg D and Reg S compliant way, or most of them, I should say.
So there's a number of several projects aiming to become the next global marketplace of cryptocurrency. Do you think that's going to signal a new wave of institutional participants? Where are we in that phase?
I think so, absolutely. We at SharesPost, we have a functioning ATS operational with all the licenses with the SEC. And we're seeing more and more issuers deciding to raise money through a security token ICO manner. So if my call volume is an indication, definitely.
All right, and so there's the cryptocurrency is certainly rising in the institutional community. What do you have to do to get older thinkers in the marketplace to disrupt and really adopt this new technology? I mean, you and I are both from, I guess, old school Wall Street, if you will. You've made the adoption.
Well, I think if you look at some of the numbers out there, Telegram raised $1.7 billion. Binance does about $3 million per day of revenue, and the New York Stock Exchange does about $7 for its equity. So the numbers are just so staggering now, I don't think people are ignoring it. They have to look at it regardless. All right,
so digital assets are here to stay.
Absolutely.
All right, well, thank you very much for joining us at MarketSite, and thank you for joining me throughout the day. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you.